I have said this before. My boys get so bummed that Olivia and I always get PR packages and they never get to open packages because they don't get sent things the way me and Olivia do. That's just kind of how it is. The boys are on their way home from school and I have a package for them and they are going to die when they open it. This is something, I know what it is, and this is something that they have been asking for so long, and so I'm really excited for them to open it. My boys have their eyes closed because as soon as they see this, they're gonna know what it is, and anyway, I'm giving you guys a sneak peek. Do you know what this is yet? Do you guys know what this is by looking at this? Okay, we'll see how fast the boys are at recognizing what it is. Okay, go ahead and open your eyes. Okay, you can't, oh, I was gonna say you can't. Printer. Well, open it and see.
It's a 3D printer? What's this then? It's a
I knew they would be thrilled.
Don't get rid of that. What is this? It's a 3D printer. Boy.
So Lincoln, what do you think that would be? If this is
Probably
a 3D printer.
Colors. Yeah, colors. Oh my goodness. Wait. Red, white, blue, and white? I don't know what we're going to make. Cool.
The color of this thing is stinking cute. So I say we read the directions and figure out how to get this thing set up. What would you call this? It's not ink.
It's the spool. It's like
It's no, not plastic. It's plastic that it melts. Oh, and
Is there like a name for it? What do you call it?
I'm sure there's a name. We'll get to
Filament.
it. Filament. Oh, that's right. Filament. Yes.
What color do you guys want to print with first?
blue, red, blue. Oh, it's blue.
Blue?
Do you know what I think would be fun? Is if you each chose something that you wanted to print.
I already know what I want to print. I already know what I want to print.
While these guys are getting it all set up and ready to go, you can tell they are so excited. I am actually really excited too because we are partnering with Entina on this video. I like it that it's small because this can go in your bedrooms and it's not going to take up a lot of space, and then you can print whatever you want.
Not like stay in our bedroom, so we have to go in each other's. Just grab it.
We can move it around to the different bedrooms.
There's a ship, rabbit.
So it does come with okay,
hands.
Cool.
Do
Ooh, a ship sounds cool.
do ship. Oh, there's more.
A frog. Scroll down.
Ooh, a frog.
Bone.
Fishbone.
Fishbone one was.
Oh, so it's a skeleton. There's more.
Elephant.
Dragon. Anchor.
The anchor.
Oh, do an anchor.
Do an anchor. Do the anchor.
Print.
Already started printing?
It's the anchor.
I'm actually surprised that there wasn't more of a setup. I was a little nervous.
That was amazing. How simple that was.
Yeah, this one has stuff because my teacher has one and she said I can't figure out how to set it up in her classroom, and it's not like this one, but I like this one a lot.
My worry was that we were not going to be able to set it up easily, and when things come for the kids and I don't know how to set it up, I just want to bag the whole thing. So literally, it was very simple. You saw the whole process right here. We selected the blue anchor. Oh, it was just showing that it was heating up, and that heated up super fast. We've chose the blue filament, and it is just now starting to go. All right, while we anxiously wait for the first model to print, I want to share with you guys a few fun facts that I read about the Tina 2S 3D printer. Its nozzle heating temperature reaches 245 degrees Celsius to ensure precise and efficient printing. Its high temperature heated bed is capable of reaching up to 60 degrees Celsius for optimal adhesion and print quality. Its print speed goes up to 200 millimeters per second to ensure quick completion of your projects. You can see that it's printing on a spring steel print platform, which enhances the stability and durability. And lastly, it has a built-in fan for efficient cooling. And I think that's pretty sweet. I was able to get dinner all the way ready, and it is ready. We just have not sat down to eat yet. Maybe the corn is almost ready. So this is what we're doing for dinner. And in the meantime, this finished all the way up.
We go to where the printing things are. It says what it is right here, and then how long it is. Like the one that we did was an hour and 14 minutes.
The anchor? Okay. It didn't seem like that. It actually went by a little quicker than I thought.
3 hours. Yeah, for the cat and
3
elephant.
hours, wow. Well, maybe we should
shift is
choose a longer one and let it go overnight.
We should
when
do
you
like
guys go to
a
bed.
big one before we go to bed tonight.
That's a good idea.
See if we can do like a really cool one. We should do like a car.
Think about which one you want to do.
This pad is removable. It's magnetic. So cool. We can grab all that excess there. Oh my gosh! I didn't even see it finish that side. I got distracted. Are you ready?
So you just kind of snap it off.
Come on. I think it.
Oh, so that back part wasn't.
Oh, that's what I thought. I thought maybe that back part snapped off. Like it's kind of a base, but then
Oh really?
it snaps
I didn't know
off.
that.
I thought that maybe
I mean, we are all
it did, but
very naive to the
3D printing world.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah, Code, you're right. Well,
You see it?
that's pretty sweet. So how do I get that guy?
Oh, it's so warm.
Is it warm?
This pad is warm.
It's a
Oh, there
really
you go.
good warm. Just peel it.
Well, there you go. There's our first anchor. And it's actually cooler. Like when it very first started printing, I was like, oh, but this is
so much
this
cooler.
is sweet.
There's another one we
You could
saw.
put that in your locker as a hanger.
You
Or you
could.
can put that as a keychain in your backpack.
We had our dinner. The kitchen is all cleaned up. The kids are all the way ready for bed. And we are now ready to print another 3D model. Tell me the process. What's next?
Well, I wish I could say I knew, but Cody figured it out, so Cody's gonna do it.
Okay, Cody, tell us what we're going to do.
So first you're gonna put it on the screen,
Okay.
the info screen, and then you go to prepare, and then if you go down a little bit, it says change filament, and then you're gonna preheat the nozzle. You heat the nozzle so you can pull out the filament without it pulling anything else out.
Is this the nozzle right here, Code?
Yes.
Oh, I can see the little like remnant in there coming out
Yeah.
so that you can change to the next color.
Oh, it's actually backing it out automatically.
Oh yeah.
You don't have to do anything. That's awesome.
And
Okay.
then
So now it'll get back.
So that's pretty
far.
easy to
Jeez,
change
yeah.
the color.
So now you release it and pull the rest away out.
we're gonna switch to our white.
What are you guys gonna make?
An elephant.
Okay.
Out of the white, so it'll be cool.
I like that there's a light in here because the kids, I'm sure, will want to take sneak peeks of the elephant as it's printing. But it is almost their bedtime, so they'll be able to see the final product in the morning.
The filament is still loading right now, and it's just about gone in the nozzle.
So it says waiting for filament purge.
That means, it just means when it gets in the nozzle ready to go.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
So so it's purging the rest of the blue, whatever was primed up in there.
Yeah, there you go.
And that's what it did when we very first started. We just didn't know that's what it was doing.
Print.
Honestly, what I think I love the most is watching how intent the boys are at just being so interested. You included. I mean, look at you.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
The kids, Joel, they are glued to this thing.
I will do everybody a favor and come check on it. I will.
Yeah, I have a feeling these kids aren't going to bed. They just want to watch this. It's really neat to see how it works. And what I think is neat is watching Cody and, all of you kids, but especially Cody, learn how it works.
Oh, yeah.
Because he's the one that was figuring out how to connect it, how to unconnect it, how to do all those things. And that's fun to see your kids learn
yeah.
that. It looks like a fingerprint on its back and on its legs. Tell me that's not the cutest thing ever.
And I bet you could color on it and like.
You know what? I wonder if you could color on it. The way the kids are dying to break the little plate off at the bottom. So you just kind of snap that thing off the plate.
Let me try to just
Yeah, see if you can pull that whole thing now.
Yeah.
There you go.
Good. And then you snap the bottom flat part off.
Yeah.
Nice. It comes off pretty easy. I think we were just nervous the first time.
I'm excited to rewatch the...
It goes so fast. The time lapse goes so fast.
Do you see it actually shape up though?
does.
Oh, I love it.
Break the trunk.
Yeah, I knew
It has movable parts.
I told you.
Yeah, you were right. I didn't believe you.
It goes like that. Then it goes like.
I thought it was an armadillo at first.
Oh, the trunk doesn't move.
Oh, that's so cute.
I like watching it make the base since it's like, I don't know, it fills in each spot and it's super fast about it. That's cool.
What are you making this time?
A fish bone. Well, that's what it says. I think it's just a skeleton of a fish.
The kids went to school, Joel went to work, and here we are convening again around the 3D printer.
But why is the SD card out?
They connected the app, and so they've been printing things that didn't come just within this.
There's such cool things. We were looking, there's like little things you can play with in your hands, like little stuff.
Fidget
There's
things.
even like some useful things like
Pen holder.
there's a pen holder. There was a coffee
Mug.
My teacher had one. Oh yeah, there's a soap holder that you can put in your bathroom. But also, what we're printing, it's a tiny moon and an astronaut sitting on the moon.
What?
And
Oh
something
my gosh.
that we just did on the app
I'm so excited. Let's see.
was
So,
Careful, that one's
oh, why didn't you tell me? Who broke it?
no one. It's just like
I think we interrupted that one, so.
Okay, well,
What is this,
we'll
Hoellein?
chalk that up to operator error. It says Hoellein 13. It's a sign. Okay, little sign over there.
we made the fish off the printer. Like it didn't have to go on the app, and it's so cool.
Who printed that one?
I did.
Okay, we showed them the elephant. I saw that one. Let's see what else we got.
Printed the pterodactyl. I love the joints. Like I love 3D printer things that have like the joints.
Me too. That one's pretty cool.
And then we did the anchor, and then this is the awesome.
I really love these ones that move like this.
I don't understand how that works.
Neither do I. When they come off the printing press, they seem like flat, but they're not. Okay, this one is so cute.
Yeah, there's a tiny steering wheel.
There's a tiny steering wheel inside. Okay, I gotta see. You guys see the little steering wheel inside? Can you see the steering wheel, Link?
Yeah, look. Oh, yeah.
See that cute?
Tiny little hole.
Oh. So far, this is our loot. So if you guys are starting this one before going to bed, how long does this one take?
3 hours.
3 hours. Okay.
It's gonna be
It's
worth
only like, it's 7 o'clock right now, so
It's
10
just
o'clock.
That's not bad.
a wonderful alarm. In the morning, you just get up and there's a beautiful little.
Yeah, I heard people playing with it before I was even up this morning. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, I heard someone down here on it. So far, these are the models that we have printed. Please tell me so far which is your favorite. I will show you mine. It is the guy on the moon. That is my absolute favorite. I love the little tugboat. To be honest, I love them all. Which is your favorite? What should we make next? And when I tell you that the kids have plans to make more, the kids have a birthday party this weekend. They're getting a 3D model. The kids already have sold some at school, so they've got orders to fulfill. I'm not kidding you when I tell you the kids have wanted one of these for so long. So needless to say, this has been a very fun video for us to make. Thank you again, Entina, for sponsoring this video. I will have all the information linked in the description below for you guys, and we'll see you all in our next one. Bye, guys.